Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi and this morning we're visiting with Katina Miner. She's an Advocacy Director and Attorney for Kentucky Legal Aid. Good morning, Katina.
Good morning, Kristi. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being with us today. Now, Katina, today you are going to talk to us about what civil legal aid is and what Kentucky Legal Aid does.
Yes. So first I'll introduce what Kentucky Legal Aid is. We are a nonprofit civil law firm. We have our main office here in Bowling Green off Campbell Lane. We serve a 35 county area in South Central and Western Kentucky. And of course, that includes Warren County and the entire Brad area. When I say we're a nonprofit civil law firm, one of the most important things I always want people to know is that our services are completely free. We don't charge people to represent them. And we represent low income and elderly community members with civil legal problems. So for instance, that's any case basically that's not criminal that you would be taken to court for. We also help with public benefits. We help people with housing problems, evictions, and foreclosures. And we assist victims of crime as well. We work on public benefits issues. That's one thing I like to highlight because not everyone knows that those are have a legal component since you don't always get in front of a court right away. But we assist people with Medicaid and Medicare problems, including those difficult open enrollment decisions that people are faced with making every year. We also help with food stamps, SNAP benefits. We help with disability benefits such as SSI or SSDI, and we assist with unemployment benefits too. And then we also work on consumer cases. So certain bankruptcies, collection defense with like a lender has sued you to collect on a debt. And then we help in family law cases too. So we help in some eligible cases with custody, visitation, divorce. And then we represent victims in interpersonal violence cases like domestic violence and interpersonal violence.
Does Kentucky Legal Aid ever deal with cases related to disaster recovery, such as FEMA appeals or issues that people might be facing right now after the tornadoes?
Yes, yes, we do. We are working with survivors of the storms. And like I said, we serve the 35 county area. So certainly people affected here in Bowling Green, but also those in Mayfield, Dawson Springs, and through the entire path of the storm. So we can assist with insurance problems, with the confusion of FEMA and often FEMA appeals, maybe SBA questions. Landlord issues have arisen for a lot of people in impacted properties. And we also have a volunteer lawyer program, and there are many, many willing attorneys who want to help our staff help people who were impacted by the storm. So I want to encourage people to give us a call if they're facing those issues.
Yes, our community is definitely dealing with many of those cases right now, and such a wonderful resource to them. Now, Katina, you mentioned briefly, but what about criminal cases? Is that something that you all deal with?
It is not. We are our grant funding, and thank you for asking. Our grant funding restricts us to work in civil cases, not in criminal cases. There's one exception where we kind of cross over, which is expungement. So our agency loves to help people expunge criminal convictions from their record when they're eligible and have rehabilitated and can do that. That can be just a transformational process for people who are then able to get back to work or find better housing. So we do assist with expungement cases all the time. And if there's anyone interested in that, they should give us a call too.
Could you tell us a little bit about the services you offer for the elderly?
For our senior citizens, we assist with wills, with power of attorney documents and living wills. And actually, we've had the pleasure of doing some clinics with our UK Extension partners in some of our surrounding counties. So people should keep a watch on our Facebook page for those. And we can also assist with those on one-off bases. If people just need that help, they can give us a call.
Katina, thank you so much for being with us today. You are such a wonderful resource for the community. If you are watching and would like more information, contact Kentucky Legal Aid at 270-782-5740. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.